Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. I've been a master plumber since age 29, and I know why you're here. You might want me to draw your plumbing plans. Good idea. Here's why. It's very complex. You're looking at just the plumbing in my daughter and son-in-law's new home that I put in. This is the master bathroom vanity wall, and there's lots going on. If you don't get the pipe sizes right, your plumbing system's not going to work. And you know what? I'll bet you didn't know that every house should have a full-size vent. See this back here? That's what that is. That's all going to get explained. Here's the best part. You get a plan view looking down from the sky as to what your building drains should look like. You get the plumbing isometric drawing that shows all of the pipe sizes. And here's the best part. You get for free a PDF file that are the best practices that I've done for decades, and many of them are secrets. Go ahead, buy the plumbing plans right now. I'm going to do a really good job for you, and your plumbing system's going to work forever perfectly. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.